everyone, this is Purnima at Pickyourtrail and welcome back. If you're new here, just to see what do we have for you in this channel, go ahead and subscribe. I hope you're inspired to plan your vacation by now. And here's the hack that I promised. You can book your vacation in less than 10 minutes by using Pickyourtrail website. Let me take you through.
On the website, just scroll a bit below and select the destination that you would like to go for. Simply click on it and that will lead you to the best packages available on the website, and whichever gives you your interest, just click on customize to go for more changes. Right here you would select your departure month with the date, departure city and number of people traveling, and go ahead, view the trip cost. Now your itinerary is ready for further customizations. Best part, if you'll click on the day-wise plan, you will be able to add more cities into your tour. Simply click on this option, go ahead, add the city which you want, and the city is added. Right next to it, you can increase the number of nights and decrease as well as per your requirement. Let's go ahead and see what else can be changed. First, let's go ahead, change the hotel. We'll click on stay. Here you will be able to change your flights, your hotels and so on. Let me show you how do we do it. Simply just click on this button. This will lead you to so many other best options to choose from. You're satisfied with one? Select that. And voila, that will be added to your itinerary. Similarly, you can do with the hotels as well. Click on it. And so many other hotel options are there to choose from again. Select your favorite one. Here you'd be able to see the pictures, the ambience of the hotel, and you will have the exact selection for yourself. Go ahead, read it out more details if you wish, and add it to itinerary once satisfied. Now your hotel is also added. Go ahead and do the same with the activities as well. You can go to day-wise plan, and here you can add activities as per your morning, afternoon and evening time as well. You just have to click on add activity, and the most popular at that point of time available will be shown. Select your favorite one, choose, and activity will be added to your itinerary. Similarly, you can do for many number of dates that you're traveling. Simple as that. Once you're happy with the itinerary that you want, you can go ahead and book this trip for yourself.